sometimes bees are a problem near houses or where the people are in buildings or in trees, in farms. So sometimes there's a need to remove the bees. The main factor affecting this is the bees' location. One common location for the bees are hollow trees. A small example of that could be this tree with a little hole in it, but who knows how deep the hole is, and so bees could be living there or coming to live in there and stay there for years. So sometimes the bee removal depends on how difficult it is to get to the bees. This case is not difficult, but it is uncomfortable. And sometimes it's even worse than that.